So for our PB4411 series, we can provide a cable kit like this, with around 6 inches long, and with the jumpers here. So there's one input cable and one output cable with jumpers, so you can configure the LED to be pushed on or always on. And there's also an LED negative cable. So if we want to dim the LED a little bit, we can connect a resistor in series in the negative ground cable for the LED, so that the LED will be dimmed a little bit in 12 volt or in 24 volt. So this will be the cable kit without LED resistor, and this will be the cable kit with the resistor for the LED. So you can see this one is clearly dimmed. Turn the light off, please. So this one will not interfere your night vision in the darkness, and this is the normal brightness. So in the future, we will provide. We are also developing a housing for the cable kit. So in the future, all you need to do is to plug this in, and you are good to go. So the external LED will be the external resistor can also be installed here as an accessory for the switch. That's it. Thank you.